You guys, the new flooring is in. I look like crap, but do you guys want to see it? Ta-da! Oh my goodness, you guys, look at the stairs. The stairs don't have carpet anymore. I'm really happy the tile is gone in the kitchen and it's just looking like some nice flooring. I will say I do need to go in and connect these guys with some caulk because this, obviously you can see like the old brown color from before, but I think I just have to go in and paint the edges and it'll be good. Since clearly the baseboards used to be brown and the old quarter round or whatever the heck it's called was thicker, so it's now showing, but I just need to go in and touch it up with some paint. But now let me show you upstairs because I think that's a little bit more exciting than here because here already had vinyl flooring and now it's just laminate, which is like the next step up. Oh my goodness. Okay, I definitely need to vacuum before I like move anything in, but here we go. Oh my freaking gosh. Look at my new floors. Oh my gosh. I might look a little sweaty, a little like 1 day old hair that I need to shower, but these floors are brand new and they look great. I'm very happy with how they turned out. Oh my gosh, it's so echoey. Echo. Echo, echo. I feel like now that there's no carpet in here and there's no furniture, everything echoes. So far, so good. And honestly, this room is the who knows what room at the moment, but when my friend Grace and I first started painting it, again, I apologize for the echo because I can now hear it. But when my friend Grace and I first started painting it, I thought it looked a bit like Eeyore. Like a little purple, and I think that was because the walls were yellow, some of them were still showing, so it was kind of giving off that hue. The carpet was definitely a beigey browny color, but now seeing the like gray kind of flooring, I just think it flows so much better, and I didn't even realize that this bedroom once looked like Eeyore. And I actually feel like comfortable like sitting on the ground and like not worrying about all the cat hair and all that kind of stuff. Oh my gosh, they look very, 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 very good. I am stopping by before work just to do a quick little check-in, but we brought in a handful of rugs and furniture, so I figured I would show you guys really quick. Here is the new chandelier that is going to be going up here. But as you guys saw the other day or in another vlog that I got my dining room set, so far I've just been putting some stuff on it. So these are some coffee things, wine, beer mugs, shots, whatever. So this I will organize later this weekend. And then over here, there's some stuff going on. So this is a bench that's gonna be put in the hall closet, but this is just an extra rug that my aunt had that she gave me. And then I have some things for the fireplace, but when they did the trim, you guys can see the green here, so I need to go over that with some gray again. And then here is my corner that I have been thinking about for the past month. There's the fake plant, and then this basket will just have blankets and whatnot in it, but I love this corner. I think it looks great. On the floor, we have a giant mirror. Hi. We aren't gonna put this up just yet because I don't know where I want it. I just knew I wanted a giant mirror. Mirror on the ground. And then over here, the bathroom renovations will start next week, so it's all naked. Here's where the bench will go. Gonna get some shelving and hooks. Let's go upstairs. And then upstairs, I have 2 rugs from Home Goods. So here's the first one. It's like a gray, swirly Aztec kind of design. So here's what this one looks like, and I think it fits the space really well. The circle chair is gonna go here, and then I'm gonna eventually build the TV console to go here. And then in my room, we have the giant rug that is just being laid out. So this one's also from Home Goods. It has some blue and gray textures in it, looking really good. So we're just laying them out to flatten out since they've been rolled up for like 2 weeks. And then obviously the closet has not changed at all, but this is what we're looking like. But that's the check-in for the week. Progress is being made. Hey guys, if you cannot tell, I am actually sitting in my house, which means significant progress has been made. Today is Sunday, August 1st, so it's officially been 1 month of home ownership, which is kind of crazy to think about. So this morning I built the TV console. I also have the rug down. So here's what it's looking like. I brought over a Bath & Body Works candle and just some decor to start playing around with what I want to do, but I absolutely love the size and the color. And surprisingly enough, like honestly no hate, but surprisingly enough, this TV console is actually from Walmart, which I just didn't know about their home decor selection, especially online. They are killing it. I also ordered a bar cart from them that I'm so excited to receive. And then as you guys can also see here, I have my first piece of, well, I guess the dining room set counts as sittable furniture, but cozy furniture. I have this giant spinny circle chair, which I have wanted one of these, I would say, for the past maybe like 6 months or so. Like, this is definitely a newfound love for swivel chairs. And everywhere I looked, they were like all $1,000. So this one I actually got from the same place I got my dining room set, and I'm really happy with it. I just have it here in the corner of the like loft area. So this is the one space that's kind of coming together once I get the TV up here and all the Wi-Fi and that kind of stuff connected. You know, the house is pretty much like ready for move-in. But I'm seriously obsessed with this chair. It's just so comfy and I'm so happy with it. Something that is TBD if I am gonna be happy with is my bed frame. Yay! I have all of the pieces organized. Honestly, this is gonna probably take me a few hours to build, so let's cue the time lapse. It's clearly the next day, but I have the bed all set up. Here is the final result. I finished in probably like 3 hours or so. We have the storage drawers that were honestly easier to put together than I thought. Also vlogging on my phone because I completely forgot my camera and I wasn't planning on being here today, but I had the vanity for the upstairs bathroom delivered and I was able to hotspot my phone to work from here. So instead of eating during my lunch break, I am going to unbox the Casper mattress so that way by tonight, tomorrow, it'll be undone, I suppose, to see how I like it. Also picked up these sheets last night and they're so soft. My family uses them in their house and I love them, and it finally found them at Home Goods. All right, here is the bed. I got the Casper Original Hybrid. I did it. Oh, this is comfy. The bed is in. It's comfy. It's great. It's not hard as a rock. It's nice and foamy. And I'm ready for a nap. But I have no pillows. I have the bed stuff here, but I don't have pillows for it. So probably gonna go and grab those later. But we have a bed. And it isn't broken. So A+ work. I spoke too soon because, as a matter of fact, the bed frame did indeed break. I was folding laundry with my boyfriend and the wooden slats underneath the bed broke. So it's currently sitting in my loft. My bed is on the floor and I'm having a new bed frame sent to me in the next couple of weeks, even though I think it's just gonna break again. So I might be ordering a metal bed frame on Amazon. Woo! But reporting in that the mattress is 10 out of 10 and I do recommend it. I don't recommend this bed frame from Wayfair, but go me! Woo! Okay, back to the video. Welcome to the 10 out of 10 phone quality vlog. I wanted to stop by the house because there's some bathroom updates that I want to see. I don't know what they did with the downstairs, if it's like 90% done, 50% done. All I know is that they started demoing the upstairs, and I'll show you guys that, but the vanity is missing from the garage. This is crazy. Oh my god, this is crazy. What the heck? Oh, the color's so pretty in here. Okay, do you guys want to see? I think you guys want to see. So here are the lights for the light fixture. They obviously taped up the floor because this is all new, so they don't want to ruin it. The bathroom door is off the hinge. The lights are obviously off in the bathroom since they are working in it. But here is the walls, here is the vanity. I got the vanity from Lowe's, and it came with the hardware and the top and the sink. And then I just bought this as the sink faucet. But that is the bathroom update for today. We are back to look at the bathrooms. I was here the other night and I just had my phone to vlog because I didn't think I was gonna see anything, but there was some stuff. And today, I'm pretty sure the downstairs bathroom is probably 90% complete. I was just told I need to mark on the walls where I want the toilet paper holder to go, some shelves, fixtures, hardware, stuff like that. And then the upstairs bathroom I know is demoed. So we're gonna go and take a look. It's stupid that I'm like watching my reaction, but I'm really nervous. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I could have picked a cuter mirror, but like, looks good. Here is the new downstairs bathroom. Obviously you guys can see there's some patchwork that needs to be done. You can see like the color there and then up there, because the old light used to go all the way across. But they installed these light bulbs, and I'm not gonna bother touching these for right now. Here is the vanity in daylight with the toilet, so let's see. Okay, there's water in it, so I think I can use it, but I'm just gonna wait for now. But we have the storage here. I'm gonna roll some towers. Oh, it's soft close. It's soft close. I didn't even mean to do that, but it looks good. Just some patches to fix up, so I'm gonna do a little towel holder here, shelving here, toilet paper holder there. So let's go look at the upstairs. I'm nervous to see what this looks like. Oh no. Okay, the door is closed. I don't see any flooring in there anymore. The flooring is definitely gone. Okay. Oh my. Oh my. Do I step? I think I can step down. Oh my god. Look at this demo. That cotton candy concerns me because it's so dark. Does this work? Yes, it does. Okay, we still have light. So here is my new bathtub. Here's what it's looking like in here. And then obviously here's the old installation. That doesn't look great. It's all here on the ground, but here's my new tub. We have the new fixtures for the piping to go in. There's all the old wall, and then that's my neighbor's wall. He's okay. Oh, little angry fist in there, no big deal. Old medicine cabinet. That's gonna go. Here's the demoed bathroom. Now I really cannot use it, so I guess I should like clear off my foot since these are nice new floors in here. There's the update.